Hello everyone, in this video we are going to see a shortcut for binary search tree traversal. So we know that we have three types of tree traversal: in order, pre-order and post-order, depending upon how the tree is traversal. Actually, what is traversal is visiting a node once, that is called as a traversal. So here we are having in order, which is here we are having the left, right and the root node, that is the order. So left, right and the root, when it is traversed, it is called as an post order, and then left node right, that is an in order, and node left right is then pre-order. Now let us see how to use a simple shortcut trick so that we can traverse a binary tree at a stretch. We can get the all the traversal in order, pre-order and post order. So I have taken an example of a tree which is a binary search tree. I have taken an example of a tree. The technique is 1, 2, 3 tree traversal techniques. So here we have three techniques: in order, pre-order and post order. So here this actually when it is pre-order, the node is visited first. When it is in order, the node, which is the root, that is visited second, and when it is post order, the root is visited third. So based on that, we have in, pre and post, that is 1, 2, 3. Here 1 is actually pre-order, 2 is actually in order, and 3 is actually post order. Okay, so now just to sometimes you are confused that whether the tree traversal is correct or not. So for this, we are using a shortcut technique called 1, 2, 3 technique. That is actually, what does it mean is, if the node is visited once, that is the first time it will come in the pre-order. If it is visited second, it comes in the in order, and if it is visited third, it comes in the post order. So I have taken an example of this small binary tree, which is 1, 2, 3 and then 4, 5. These are all the nodes of this tree, and here we can see that it is a binary tree and the tree is actually incomplete. So actually we are supposed to complete the tree before doing this trick, because then only it will work out properly. So you have to make a complete binary tree, in the sense that all the nodes should have a child, that is, it may be an empty child or an children. So we know that binary tree has 0 or 2 children maximum. So here 0, 1, 2 are the number of children in binary tree, and here we make it as a tree, as a complete tree. Okay, now let us see the traversal here. Now the node starts from 1, so it is the first time traversal, so I have put in the pre 1, and now 2 is visited first time, so I am putting 2 in the pre-order, and then coming to down, 4 is visited first time, so I am putting in the pre-order. So all the time when the node is visited first time, it is given in the pre-order position. Okay, so now as I told you, all the trees has to be completed, so I am just drawing an dummy branches for all the nodes of the tree. Okay, now coming down, so 4 is visited once, that is given in the pre-order. Now again 4 is visited, so that is now in order, so put 4 in the in order position. And then again come down, when you again go back, we have to go to again visit 4. So 4 is visited in the third time, so put in the post order. Okay, so now likewise go up, and then it will again reach the node 2. Actually node 2 is visited second time, so it is put in the in order. Then go down to visit 5. Now 5 is visited first time, so put in the pre-order. Okay, so now 5 has no children, it is dummy branch, so it is visited second time and then put in the in order. Then it is visited third time, then again put in the post order. So this is how the traversal is written. First time it is given in the pre-order position. If it is second time, put in the in order. Okay, now coming to the 2 is already visited 2 times. Now this is the third time, so we have to put in the post order position. It's clear? Now again go up. Now 1 is visited second time. Now put in the in order. And now come down. 3 is visited first time. So put in the pre-order. And then dummy branch, get down. Again 3 we have to reach second time. Put in the in order. Again we have to reach 3. Put 3 in the post order. Now we have to reach the root. Now root is visited the third time, put in the post order. That's all the traversal. So we can see that pre-order is 12453, in order is 42513, and post order is 45231. This is the shortcut method to find out the pre-order, in-order and post-order traversal of the tree. The main point is you have to make the complete binary tree. That means you have to make branches for all the children, whether it is dummy or it is one child is there, you have to make it as a complete binary tree, and then we have to accordingly we have to place the first time visit in pre, second time visit in, and third time visit in the post order. That's all. We have got the traversal, and this is how the traversal takes place, and hope we have understood the concept behind this traversal, and thanks for watching.